Have you ever wondered what happens when you crack your knuckles? Our knuckles crack because in our joints, there is a lubricant called synovial fluid that has gases. When you bend or stretch your finger, the joints of your fingers pull apart and create pressure, which creates little bubbles of gas. These gases will eventually pop and create the cracking sound everyone has heard. You might be wondering, is cracking your knuckles bad for you? It's safe to say, it's not bad for you. Dr. Donald Unger is a scientist who wanted to find out if cracking your knuckles was bad. For his experiment, he cracked one hand's knuckles for 60 years, but left the other hand alone. After the 60 years, there was no difference in the hands.